Now, there's going to be a screw right here, because we didn't take it out yet. We turned it over to the hard drive side. So you want to take this screw out, and then once you take it out, you have the front side of the PlayStation here. This is the front side, and you want to pull it off, and slowly, and then hold the back side that it comes off too. There we go. Now we're on this step, and I'll show you what to do next. And on the inside, clean it, because it will make, when you start playing games again, it'll make the PlayStation quieter, because everybody knows PlayStation sounds like a jet engine trying to start up. Now at the top, there's gonna be 7. What are these kinds of screws? Torque screws, and then all around here, there's 7 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 2 of these normal ones that we're gonna pull off.
What that means, Philip, sir?
Philip.